Hello guys, welcome back to AutoZag channel. Introducing the 2025 Yamaha Bolt 250, a fresh take on a lightweight cruiser that blends classic styling with modern efficiency. Designed for beginners and city riders alike, the Bolt 250 maintains that iconic Yamaha heritage while embracing a compact and approachable package. It's perfect for those who crave cruiser aesthetics without the intimidating size or price tag. Under the hood, or rather the tank, the Bolt 250 features a 249 cubic centimeters air-cooled single-cylinder engine. It delivers smooth, manageable power ideal for city cruising and occasional highway sprints. Paired with a 5-speed transmission, the powerband is predictable and beginner-friendly, while still offering enough torque to enjoy a spirited ride. Yamaha claims a top speed of around 85 miles per hour, making it a versatile option for both urban and light touring duties. Styling is where the Bolt 250 shines. With a low-slung stance, teardrop fuel tank, bobber-inspired fenders, and blacked-out details, it echoes its bigger sibling, the Bolt 950. LED lighting front and rear, modern digital instrumentation, and a sculpted single seat give it a clean yet aggressive look. It's a bike that looks far more premium than its class might suggest. One of the standout features is its low seat height of just 27 inches, making it incredibly accessible to a wide range of riders. The tubular steel frame, 41mm front forks, and twin rear shocks deliver a smooth and planted ride. With a curb weight of around 360 pounds, it's easy to maneuver in tight spaces and parking lots. Ideal for urban commuters or weekend cruisers. The ride impression. Simply put, the Bolt 250 feels solid. Throttle response is smooth and predictable, and it doesn't feel underpowered thanks to the responsive low-end torque. The ergonomics are relaxed, with forward controls and a wide handlebar giving it a laid-back, easy-going vibe. Vibration is minimal, and the suspension soaks up bumps impressively for a bike in this category. In terms of safety and tech, it comes with front and rear disc brakes with optional ABS, a digital speedometer with trip functions, and a side-stand engine cutoff. Fuel economy is rated at approximately 75 miles per gallon, which means less time at the gas station and more time on the road. The 3.4-gallon fuel tank adds to its practicality for longer weekend rides. As for the price, Yamaha hits the sweet spot. The 2025 Yamaha Bolt 250 starts at around $4,499, making it one of the most affordable cruisers in the market today. With its stylish looks, reliable performance, and accessible design, this could easily become the top pick for new riders or anyone wanting a compact, stylish ride. If you're looking to cruise in style without breaking the bank, the Bolt 250 deserves a serious look.